Studying in a room where everyone comes from different countries teaches you adaptability and strong communication. My name is Susanna Hayrapetyan. I'm the founder and CEO of HBC. It's a marketing agency based in Munich, Germany. HBC is a branding company. It's a creative agency providing services in all areas of marketing. I'm proud of a number of projects we have completed and accomplished. Packaging design for a full line of hair care products for Vegamour, with Nicole Kidman being the face of the line. Another one, Mercedes-Benz's collaboration. We created, branded, marketed an event, a VIP event for Mercedes-Benz, 2 years in a row in Hannover, Germany. At the EU Business School, you get to learn about real companies, about real cases. You get the opportunity to ask as many questions as possible to your professor because of the small classroom sizes, and get direct feedback from your professor. There are plenty of networking opportunities at the EU Business School. The school organizes Business Immersion weeks every semester, bringing business leaders, C-level executives, entrepreneurs, so students can get to know them and talk to them while studying at the EU Business School. The alumni community is really powerful. It's international, it's diverse. There's so many interesting people sharing ideas, finding partnerships. Those are valuable things one can find in the alumni community. Studying in a room where everyone comes from different countries teaches you adaptability and strong communication. I ended up hiring people from so many different countries, from Nigeria, Ghana, Brazil, Italy, Hungary, Armenia. I have a very diverse team, and I owe that to EU Business School, where I got used to working and studying in that environment.